Hi guys, today we're gonna trim the lavender from our London garden. It's almost end of November, and for those of you who love gardening, you guys know that lavender has to be trimmed either end of August or beginning of September. At least in England that's what's happening, and I'm super late with that. That's why it's overgrown, and I'm gonna show you how to do it to save it for the next season, because lavender can last up to 10 years, can give you lots of joy. So let's get to work, since the baby's asleep right now.
As the sun went down, she'd been in every bar and club across this crazy town. I said, get up off the floor, it looks like you could use a drink. She said, man, you just got lucky, cause I know how you guys think. Are you taking me home tonight? Cause God knows that's alright. Better get moving, got a journey in the middle of the night. We bought into the parking lot behind the second phase. She said, "It's your eyes, boy, I'm open 24 a day." I asked her for some coffee and her eyes began to gleam. She said, "Used to take it back, but now I have it with some cream. Are you taking me home tonight? Cause God knows that's alright. Better get moving, got a journey in the middle of the night." God knows that's alright. Better get moving, got a journey in the middle of the night. Asked me if I wanted to take her all the way. I said my drink is cold, my engine's hot, I don't know what to say. Her hand was on my khakis and my tank filled up with gas. She said, get yourself and give it fire, kick your fucking ass.
Here you go guys, my job with the lavender trimming here's done. Leave a comment below, how do you take care of your garden, and see you on the next one.
Got a journey in the middle of the night.